Hey, it's your girl, Gamer Girl K, GGK, Turn Up with K, Gaming with K, and today we are back with the initial another part to the last part that I had just did. The only reason that was cut 2 minutes short was because my parents don't seem to give a flying fuck about whether I record or not. So I guess I'm trying to wait for this bird to like drop this cage, but apparently he's not gonna drop it, and I don't know what's down here. Oh, it's just a... okay. Well, I guess we're just going this way. Do I need this of some sort? No. Oh, well, there went my box. I guess I need this. Oh, yeah, I did. Oh, shit. So... we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Dun 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 dun. Oh. And we died. We're off to see the wizard. What is that in his head? Okay, well, thanks for being an extra. Why is it when I plan something to go very well, it doesn't go well at all? I planned for me to step backwards a little bit, run, and jump onto him. And here you drowned. What the fuck is this game? I don't even understand. Like, my rage is gonna get to a point where I'm just like, what the hell, man? Okay, so apparently... okay, I made it onto that kid. Okay. So, I thought I was going to drown again. I was about to start cursing up a storm. I don't even want to find out what this is. What? What? In what sense is this okay? You know what? I'm gonna see if I can drag one of them bodies from the river. Can I use you for a second? Bro, can I use you? Thank you. I need you for an experiment. I just want to see if it, you know, thinks NPCs can also... yeah, fuck you. I don't want to know what the fuck this shit is that I just stepped on. Okay. I didn't even get a chance to, like, really even run, either. Is there anything I can use around here? Can I drag this kid? Can I use this kid? Excuse me. Oh, well, I guess I can't. Fuck my life. And I can't even, like, I can't even jump off of it either. So it's just like I'm fucked either way. I wish there was something I could throw then. Oh shit! I got past it. Well, okay, so this one I have to jump over then. I don't even fucking know why this is even a thing anymore. Oh, get the fuck out of here with that. Oh man. She just loves stupid kids. Thought they were gonna shoot me with something. Why do these kids like want to terrorize the fuck out of me? I feel so bad for this guy. Please, let's have a moment of silence for this fallen person. Okay. Sorry, guy. Rip. May rest in peace. Jesus, I just don't... Oh look, it's like a little cart barrel thing. Who is messaging me while I'm in the middle of a... Oh, this my friend was telling me she was about to come here shortly. Hopefully, like, I have an idea, but I don't know if this would work. Oh, fucking come on now. That's not even cool. Oh, what? I had this cart all the way over there. What? Yo, that's some bitch shit right there. I had this cart all the way over there for a simple reason, to try and see if I could grab the rope when it goes through the fucking little things. I want to see if I could swing like Tarzan almost to the next one and then pull that up. Come on, we'll make it. Yes, we made it. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop that off right there. And we'll pick it back up another time. Alright, GGK out.